Hi kindergarten. Today I have a math word problem for you. We do lots of math word problems here at school. Sometimes we do them together on the chart paper like this. Sometimes we'll do them here and then you have one to do independently at your table. So I thought today I am going to read the word problem with you. I'm going to draw out the answer and kind of review what's kind of expected when we do word problems. And then I have a different word problem for you to do on your own at home, which I would love if you could take a picture of it and send it in. That would be great. So we'll do this one first. It says, there are 2 butterflies. Okay, so can you picture in your mind for a minute 2 butterflies? Then it says, how many wings in all? So try to picture 2 butterflies and how many wings would there be all together? So I'll give you a minute to think about it. So now I do want to remind you that even if you know the answer right away, that's great, but I still want everybody to draw out the answer. Okay, so that's the expectation when we're doing math word problems, is that you still need to draw the answer. Okay, so let's start again at the very beginning. So it says there are 2 butterflies. So I'm going to draw how many butterflies? That's right, 2 butterflies. So I'm going to take my time. We know that we try to use shapes when we're drawing. Okay, so here I have 1 butterfly. Give them a little smiley face. And we know butterflies have how many wings? 1, 2. So they should each have 2 wings. And another happy butterfly. So now that I have my 2 butterflies drawn, I can easily kind of visualize, that means I can see quite easily how many wings there are in total now. So something else that we always do in word problems similar to this is labeling, not using letters like we're used to in writing necessarily, but label using numbers. So I want to count to find out how many wings there are in all. So I'm going to label by doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I could even go a little farther and practice my math word sentence. So you can show mom and dad how this works. So in kindergarten, the boys and girls know this, we don't say 1 + 1 = 2 or 2 + 2 = 4, things like that. We're really just working on the precursor to addition. So we would say there are 2 wings here. So I would say 2 and 2 make 4. That's kind of the language that we use for kindergarten until you get to grade 1. So 2 and 2 make 4. Excellent. All right, so now I want to show you another word problem. This time I'm going to read it with you, but I ask that you do this independently at home on your own. So this one says, 2 students wore mittens. 2 students wore mittens. Can you picture in your mind, maybe you and a friend, close your eyes and you can imagine you with your mittens on and your friend, or maybe your mom, dad, or brother and sister with mittens on. How many mittens all together? Okay, so 2 students wore mittens. I said students and I said mom, dad, brother, sister. You can imagine whoever you want. 2 people are wearing mittens. How many mittens all together? So I want you to think about that first, take a minute, and then I'm not going to draw this one out for you. I want you to try to do this one independently on your own and draw the answer just like I did with the last question. So you're going to draw the 2 students and they're both wearing mittens, and I want you to label using the numbers just like we did in the last question. All right, thank you boys and girls. Have a great day.